Hey everyone, welcome back to another Merle on Time. Today is just a quick unboxing video of a watch that I just got in. It's a true unboxing. It's still in the box that it was shipped in, and maybe I'm a little bit nervous. Wanted to do it kind of live to tape because the last time I did an unboxing, didn't work out too good for me. Ended up getting a bar of soap. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I should be getting the replacement this week as well. This one though, a bit of a story to it. I got it just for fun. I absolutely love the dial on this watch. Kind of brings me back to my childhood, and you'll see why in just a second. As you can see, we're at 750 subscribers. I've been announcing that we're going to do a giveaway at 750, and I'll have more to share about that in a future video that will drop early next week, and I'll give the details on how you can enter the giveaway and some thoughts on where I want to take the channel. And so thank you so much for supporting the channel. It just, when I started this just over a year ago, or about a year ago, January of last year is kind of when I put my first video out. I was just doing it for fun. I never even thought it was possible to have this many subscribers. And so thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. If you haven't done so yet, please consider doing so. And anyways, let's turn the camera around and just take a look at what's inside this box. Just a quick unbox and reveal. I may do a review on this watch in the future. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a review or not. This is, again, just for fun, and you'll see what I mean. So as I mentioned, there's a bit of a story to this watch before I, let you see what's in it. I found it on Amazon, and unfortunately I can't leave a link to the description on Amazon because the one that was on Amazon was a used watch. It indicated that it had a scratch on the crystal, and so, I just kind of searched up this watch and found it, of all places, at a pharmacy in Western Canada. And so I'll leave a link to that that website where I got the watch. I don't know if it would still be available. It did cost me 80 bucks Canadian. And so that's kind of the story behind it. I had to have it. Fortunately, I did find a place in Canada to get it. London Drugs Pharmacy. And so yeah, let's take a look at what I got. So before we crack open the box, of course, I've got to let you see what I am wearing on my wrist today. And this is the Parking Master 2.0 by Van Banner on a blue FKM rubber strap. I am absolutely head over heels in love with this watch. Thank you to LV for sending that to the channel. And I reviewed that watch. Check that one out. Just go into the history of my YouTube videos and you will see that. The quirky, awesome Van Banner 2.0. So here it is. Here's the box, guys. And, the last time I opened up the package, I ended up getting a bar of soap. So I wanted to do this, unboxing live to tape. So there you see, London Drugs. From a province that I believe doesn't have a town called London. And whatever. There you go. Just a bunch of paper in the box, and I guess let's just see what this thing came with. Okay, so, oh yeah, here we go. I hope this thing is working. Some bubble wrap on it. Whoa. Here we go. Timex Pac-Man. So let's see what London Drugs sent me. Just a receipt and a little thank you card from RT. Well, RT, you're welcome. And just a receipt there. Okay, so this is the watch, guys. Again, I really wanted to I just had to have this thing it just takes me back to my childhood. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. That is absolutely awesome. Okay, so it looks like, oh yeah, there's a plastic tie wrap holding everything in. So I'm gonna just stop the recording, cut that off, and get this watch out and show it to you up close. Okay, so something interesting with this, I don't want to ruin any of the packaging, but it's on there quite tight, and this plastic thing comes in behind. I don't know if it's a sleeve that I can slide out. I'm trying my best not to, destroy any of this packaging. So give me another minute or two. So here is the watch. Isn't this? I just absolutely think this is the coolest friggin' watch ever. Oh, obviously I played a lot of Pac-Man when I was a boy, and it was really fit tightly onto this plastic. I ended up having to squeeze the plastic in. Thankfully I didn't break it because I did not want to ruin this packaging. I mean, how cool is that? The packaging that it came in. As I said, this is on Amazon, but it was a used piece. I couldn't find it on the actual Timex website either. They were not in stock there. And this place, London Drugs, in I think it was Saskatoon province in Canada, shipped it to me here in Ontario. And let's just, moment of truth here, guys. Let's take out the little plastic guard here and see if this is going to work. Here we go. Isn't that cool? The Pac-Man on the second's hand. Oh my gosh. This just thrills me. Absolutely thrills me. It does have Indiglo as well, or it's supposed to have Indiglo. Let's see if the Indiglo on it actually works in the dark. And oh my goodness, like so cool. So cool. It's supposed to be, I believe, we'll get Super Cali out here. And what do you think, Super Cali? Wow! I think it's just a basic 40 by 20. Let's just take a quick look. Oh, actually, it's a 38 mil. With the crown, it's 40 and a half. And then the lugs on it, I'm sure, are 20. Yeah, they're 20 mil lugs. So, what a cool watch. Hey, LV, no offense, man. I love your watch, but I am going to have to be rocking this Timex. Let's see if it has the Indiglo function. I thought it was advertised with Indiglo. Let's turn the lights off and see. Okay, moment of truth. Let's just check out the Indiglo here. And oh my goodness, how friggin' cool is that? I cannot tell you. A simple $80 Timex. This is going to probably be in my top box. It's just a Timex, guys, but look at that. That is the coolest. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Let's take a look and see what it looks like on wrist. Okay, so just before the wrist shot, one thing Timex definitely has to do a little bit better is just the way that they package these. You can see the leather is just a little bit, well, it's not torn or anything, but there's quite a distinctive bend and indentation in the leather because of how tight it was on this plastic keeper inside of the box. So nonetheless, I've got an FKM black rubber strap that this will be going on when I get home. Genuine leather strap, doesn't have quick release spring bars, but this will go on an FKM rubber, and I just can't wait to, you know what, LV, I'm going to be rocking this one today now that I've unboxed it. This is absolutely, you've heard me, I am so over the moon with this thing, and this isn't by any means, a super amazing, well built. It's just a Timex, but this thing just is awesome. So I said I wanted to show it to you on wrist, but I wanted to show you dummies with their packaging. And but anyway, here it is on wrist. And despite the fact that it's only a 38 mil, I thought it was 40. It would have been absolutely perfect if it was 40. I can disregard the fact that it's a little bit smaller just because look at that. Oh, ah! Should I be this excited about a Pac-Man watch? Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. As I said, this is just a quick unboxing, and I don't know if I'll do a full review of this watch. I mean, it's a typical Timex Weekender quartz watch, but it just thrills my soul. It really does. So stay tuned in the near future for the details on my 750 subscriber giveaway. This coming Monday, I'll be dropping another full review on a Forge and Foster watch, and just talk about their company, talk about their advertising scheme, talk about the actual watch. Lots of things that I like about the watch, but there's some major flaws in this watch that need to be addressed. Anyways, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. How cool is that Timex Pac-Man? I'm rocking it today. Absolutely have to. Look at that thing. It's wonderful. God bless you guys. We'll see you in the next one.